sir. I welcome all of you to this class. So let us talk about digital marketing. Let's get started. What is digital marketing? In today's session, we are going to cover that. We are going to talk about why digital marketing is better than traditional marketing. आखिर क्या है बाकी लोग इतने इसके पीछे दीवाने हो रहे हैं, तो ये समझने के लिए सबसे पहले मुझे ये जानना जरूरी है कि डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के पहले की दुनिया क्या थी. ओके, वी विल अंडरस्टैंड ऑफलाइन मार्केटिंग एंड देन विल कंपेयर दैट विद डिजिटल मार्केटिंग. तो चलिए हम लोग बैक में जाते हैं, हम लोग पास्ट में जाते हैं और हम लोग वो दिन याद करते हैं जब भी दुनिया में इंटरनेट नहीं हुआ करता था. वी विल टॉक अबाउट अ टाइम देन व्हेन यू यूज्ड टू गिव एडवर्टाइजमेंट. मार्केटिंग बोलेगा तो क्या करते हैं हम लोग? वी आर प्रमोटिंग अवर प्रोडक्ट्स, वी आर प्रमोटिंग आवर सर्विसेज. ओके, या तो मेरे पास कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स है या तो मेरे पास कुछ सर्विस दुनिया को बेचने के लिए या दुनिया को देने के लिए. ओके, अगर आप एक मार्केटर हो तो आपका काम है कि आप बिजनेस को प्रमोट करना है. तो एक ज़माने में हम लोग ऑफलाइन मार्केटिंग करते थे. ऑफलाइन मार्केटिंग आज भी चल रहा है, ऐसा नहीं कि मैं डेड हो गया है. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि ऑफलाइन मार्केटिंग अभी होता ही नहीं है, बट कोविड-19 के पहले भी ये काफ़ी हद तक कम हो गया था. ओके, तो आज की तारीख में हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं, रिसेशन है, मंदी है. आई एम हियर टू टेल यू दैट रिसेशन और मंदी डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के ऊपर नहीं है, बाकी सारे के सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स के ऊपर है. Amazon has done 19,000 crore of business in the last month. जहाँ पे पूरे वर्ल्ड में इतनी मंदी थी, वहाँ पे इंडियंस ने 19,000 करोड़ एक महीने में स्पेंड किए हैं ओनली ऑन Amazon platform. You can imagine the sheer amount of business that Amazon is doing. Okay, so and this is the world's #1 e-commerce platform, and this is doing only the business on digital marketing. Let us talk about it today. ऑफलाइन मार्केटिंग वर्सेस डिजिटल मार्केटिंग. तो 10 साल पहले या समझ लो 5 साल पहले भी अगर मुझे मार्केटिंग करना होता, अगर मुझे मेरी कंपनी का कुछ भी प्रमोशन करना होता, तो मैं क्या करता था गाइस? ओके, आप ही मुझे बता दो कैसे करते थे. मान लो कि अगर हमारे पास इंटरनेट नहीं है और मुझे मेरी कंपनी को प्रमोट करना है, तो मैं क्या करूँगा गाइस? आप ही बता दो. So let's please everybody, you can contribute, you can talk about it. To say, what would we do if I want to promote my business in a usual world? Yes, Ram is typing, I can see. Good work. Please contribute. आप लोग जो बात नहीं कर सकते हैं, अगर माइक म्यूट है तो आप लोग ये कर सकते हो. Yes, Calvin.
Maybe we can use posters.
Yeah, correct. Very nice. हम लोग posters बना के डाल सकते हैं. That's a good point. Posters बना सकते हैं. और कुछ कर सकते हैं. Calvin, can we use banners? Can we put pamphlets? Pamphlet distribute कर सकते हैं. और क्या? Posters and banners. राम ने भी वही लिखा. Okay, that's great. Okay, the others are contributing. So let's talk. Yes.
वो गाड़ियों पे पहले ये क्या करते थे, पैम्पलेट्स हर इलाके में ले जाके वो फेंका करते थे, तो इससे प्रमोशन हो जाता था.
राइट. ओके, गाड़ियों के ऊपर. ओके, वो बसेस एंड कार्स एंड ऑटोज पोस्टर्स. राइट.
रेलवे स्टेशन या जो घर होते थे खाली पड़े, उस पे, जो अभी भी होता है शायद कई सारे केसेस में.
Yes. Okay.
What about street criers?
Yes, that street criers. Oh my goodness. Oh. I think we have gone very much behind. Street criers. Chalo, we'll talk about that. That was ancient. I mean, we are talking about 5 years in the past. That's almost like 30-40 years in the past. Yes, that used to be there. We'll take that into consideration. Chalo, we'll talk about that. Right. Anything else? So that's a great answer by you, Rao, and I think that was Sharad who got the word, right? Street criers. Sanjay, no. Anyone else wants to contribute? और क्या मेथड से 5 साल पहले यार, ज़्यादा दूर नहीं जा रहे. We are not going so much behind. Okay, we used to have newspapers. We still have newspapers, right? So newspaper ads.
Yeah, newspaper ads and Doordarshan.
TV. Yes. Radio. We'll keep it broad. So newspapers, TVs, and radios, and we could have, that's almost print media. But when we talk about print media, let's also cover magazines. So ये channels हुआ करते थे और आज भी है. Okay, तो ये channels अभी तक मरे नहीं है. So yes, Hardik sir has also pointed out television as one of the platforms. So TV, radios, newspapers, प्रिंट मीडिया, ये सारे के सारे तभी भी थे, आज भी है. तो चलिए मान लेते हैं एक ऑप्शन लेते हैं. सबसे पहला ऑप्शन मैं लेता हूँ पैम्फलेट्स का. ओके, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द पैम्फलेट्स, फ्लायर्स, न्यूज़पेपर्स, मैगजीन्स, टेलीकॉलिंग. ओके, एक मैडम को रख लिया ऑफिस में और मैडम को फ़ोन नंबर्स दे दिए, वो बैठे बैठे टेलीकॉलिंग करती है और वहाँ से गारंटीड कन्वर्जन्स होता था. आज की तारीख में नहीं हो रहा है, लेकिन एक ज़माने में होता था. क्या चेंज हुआ है वो भी हम लोग देख लेते हैं. These are some of the offline or you can say marketing matter. The first one, let us talk about pamphlets, flyers. मान लीजिए मैंने एक बंदे को खड़ा रख दिया अंधेरी स्टेशन के बाहर. I tell her to stand. Okay, it's a great way of promoting my business. Okay, and it works also, but to a very very small fraction. तो मान लीजिए कि मैं आज की तारीख में किसी को आज की तारीख में बोलेगा तो हम लोग अज्यूम करते हैं कि भाई दुनिया लॉकडाउन में नहीं है और अंधेरी स्टेशन के बाहर ऑन एन एवरेज 10 लाख लोग बाहर निकलते हैं. सो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट टाइम वेयर देयर यूज्ड टू बी अ लॉट ऑफ क्राउड एंड इफ आई डिस्ट्रीब्यूट 10,000 पैम्फलेट्स, 10 लाख लोग बाहर निकल रहे हैं, 10,000 पैम्फलेट्स बांटना कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. आई एम डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग 10,000 पैम्फलेट्स. आउट ऑफ 10,000 पैम्फलेट्स, हाउ मेनी पीपल विल विजिट माई my classes that is outside Andheri station only? Means they have to walk maybe 1 minute only. So how many people will convert? How many people will inquire? How many people will visit? How many people will give me business? In simple words, मेरे को business कितना मिलेगा? 10,000 लोग अगर मेरा ad पढ़. Raman ji, voice is not clear. Okay, yeah. Thank you for pointing that out. Just give me a moment, I'll connect back. Hello guys. Just type 1 in the chat box if the voice is clear and type 0 if it is not clear. Yeah, thanks for that feedback, Aman and Kishore ji and Sharad and all the others. Thank you so much. Yes, okay, now let's talk about this concept of pamphlets and flyers. The reason why, thanks Aman. So now the reason why 10,000 pamphlets अगर मैं ये प्रमोट करेगा तो उसमें से कितने लोग आएंगे? मेरे इंस्टीट्यूट में 10,000 पैम्फलेट्स एक दिन में मैं बांट रहा हूँ, उसमें से कितने लोग आते हैं?
Maybe 5%.
5% is a very high ratio. Yes, Calvin. So 5% is also very very high. 5% out of 10,000 people, that's a lot of students. Usually, I would be lucky if I get 20 to 50 walk-ins. Okay, 20 to 50 inquiries. They are not conversions out of that, and this is a practical ratio. The only reason why the conversion is so low is because of something called as targeting. Okay, why is pamphlet distribution or print media not working? I'll tell you. Because targeting नहीं हो रहा है. The person who is distributing pamphlets, who is distributing flyers, is a person who doesn't have सामने वाला. Okay, he is distributing that pamphlet to any Tom, Dick and Harry who is standing out, getting outside of the railway station. It can or an auntie or a grandmom. His job is to distribute pamphlets. He does not look at the people और किसी के चेहरे के ऊपर लिखा नहीं है कि उसको ये करने का है, वो करने का है. तो ये poor fellow वो अपना काम कर रहा है, सबको pamphlets बांट रहा है. So he is not targeting. The audience is and कोई भी आता है उसको दे रहा है. Most of the people उसको throw it away. some of them उसको शाम को भेलपुरी में खाएंगे उसके अंदर, and of course most of it is scrap, that means raddi. Okay, it is wasted, completely wasted. Why? It is not going to work, and the worst part is we are also spoiling the environment. Save the trees, okay, save the planet. So we are not going green when you are using pamphlets. It is not working. I'm not saying pamphlets don't work. I'm sorry, conversions अच्छा नहीं है. मेरा जो पैम्पलेट का डिस्क्रिप्शन शायद निकल जाएगा, कुछ एडवर्टाइजिंग होगा, बट इट इज नॉट वेरी वेरी पावरफुल. मार्केटर, दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी पुअर प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर मार्केटिंग. इट्स नॉट वर्किंग. सो पैम्पलेट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का प्रॉब्लम मेरा ये है कि पैम्पलेट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन वन वे कम्युनिकेशन है. जब तक आप कॉल नहीं करोगे तब तक मैं आपसे कोई कम्युनिकेशन नहीं कर पाता था. ओके, रीच मेरी काफ़ी कमज़ोर होती है उसमें, और कन्वर्जन भी काफ़ी कमज़ोर होता है. सो पैम्पलेट्स एंड फ्लायर्स are not working the way they used to, and pamphlets and flyers are not a good method of communication. Okay, the other method, the second one, newspapers and print media. Okay, let us talk about news. How many of you read the newspapers? If you're reading newspapers, please type 1 in the chat box. If you're not reading newspapers, please type 0 in the chat box. Nobody reads newspapers, unfortunately, right? So Calvin doesn't read newspapers. I'm surprised that Sharad and Kishore are reading newspapers. I'm very happy that we have people who still read newspapers. Mostly in the millennial generation, okay, people who are 25 and under don't bother to read the newspapers. आजकल कोई newspapers नहीं पढ़ता है, simply because newspaper का जो news होता है that is old news. लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ मुझे गूगल से मिलता है, फेसबुक से मिलता है, इंस्टाग्राम से मिलता है, व्हाट्सएप से मिलता है. गूगल के ऊपर एक बटन दबाया तो 10 लोग न्यूज़ दे देते हैं, लेटेस्ट न्यूज़, इंस्टेंट न्यूज़. वेरेस न्यूज़पेपर में जो ऐड आता है, न्यूज़पेपर में जो न्यूज़ आता है वो 4-5 दिन पुराना आता है. पीपल आर नॉट रीडिंग न्यूज़पेपर्स. द सर्कुलेशन ऑफ द न्यूज़पेपर इज डिक्लाइनिंग. द लाइफ स्पैन ऑफ द न्यूज़पेपर, मैक्सिमम लाइफ स्पैन ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर इज 1 डे. 24 घंटे से ज़्यादा आज की तारीख में न्यूज़पेपर का वैल्यू नहीं है, एनी विच वेज वैल्यू नहीं है. ओके, लेकिन वो भी 24 घंटा भी नहीं रहा है. अभी तो न्यूज़पेपर का सर्कुलेशन तब तक बचा है जब तक आपका चाय या नाश्ता खत्म नहीं हुआ है. until you finish your cup of tea, after that your newspaper is useless, completely useless. Okay, online news is in great demand, and the newspapers and print media are not working the way they used to. Okay, it is said once upon a time in Mumbai, the sales of an average Times of India newspaper was 80 lakh subscribers, and today it has dropped down to 10 lakh subscribers. People are still reading newspapers as a habit, but they are always going to Google, they are always going to online platforms to verify that news or to get more information about that news. So slowly this print media and newspapers are also dying. So अगर मुझे एडवर्टाइजमेंट करना था पैम्पलेट्स में, तो आज की तारीख में इतना सक्सेस नहीं मिल रहा है. न्यूज़पेपर्स में एडवर्टाइजमेंट करना था तो सक्सेस नहीं मिल रहा है क्योंकि सर्कुलेशन डिक्लाइनिंग है. ओके, एंड ऑल दोज हु आर रीडिंग द न्यूज़पेपर्स, हाउ मेनी एड्स आर यू वाचिंग गाइस? There are lots of problems with the newspaper and the print media. It's expensive, very very expensive. If you want to put an ad in the Times of India front page today, you'll have to spend between 5 lakhs to 7 lakh rupees. 5 lakhs and 7 lakh rupees, and after that, what kind of conversion will you get? Okay, no guarantee. I'm sure you will get maybe 4 people walking in your office after that. नहीं निकलेगा. You will not recover your expenses. In short, ROI भी cover नहीं, investment नहीं मिलेगा. So that was your newspapers and print media. Let us talk about telemarketing. Once upon a time, it was guaranteed sales. Okay, the madam used to call people, sir, home loan ले लो, sir. So we used to have guaranteed sales. We used to give the targets to madam, and she used to achieve and overshoot the targets very many times. Nowadays we have got DND regulations, do not disturb. सबके फोन में ट्रू कॉलर आ चुका है. ओके, वो बताता है कि ये मैसेज स्पैम है, उसको हम लोग खोलते ही नहीं है या फिर डायरेक्टली उसको ब्लॉक कर देता है. सो अनफॉर्चुनेटली telemarketing is also dying. I'm not saying telemarketing is dead, but it is not as efficient as it used to be. Let's talk about radio ads. Okay, Guys, how many of you listen to the radios? Please type 1 in the chat box. 1 in the chat box if you listen to the radio. Type 0 if you don't listen to the radio. Okay, Calvin doesn't listen to the radios. Come on, guys. हम ही आगे बढ़ेंगे. Okay, Sharad doesn't listen to the radio. Okay, so come on, guys. Everybody contribute. Do you listen to the radio? How many of you listen to the radio nowadays? Okay, so far Kishore ji also doesn't listen to the radio. Here, maybe you guys are but it's not coming. Is that nowadays we don't listen to the radios? Almost nobody listen to the radios. Radio once upon a time was a fantastic platform. Nowadays हम लोग रेडियो को तभी यूज करते हैं जब भी हमारा मोबाइल का बैटरी खत्म हो गया होता है. जानना चाहिए. So while you are driving, you are using radio FM when you are going through certain channels. That's the only time we actually listen to that. Nowadays, MP3 players, we have got iPods, we have got Gaana.com, we have got Spotify, we have got YouTube. हमारे स्मार्टफोन में चाहिए वो गाना एक बटन दबाने से मिलता है. Why would I bother listening to radio ads? Okay, why would I bother listening to radios in the first place? Ads are secondary. Even if I give an ad on the radio, the ads are extremely expensive and the conversion is very, very poor. Radio ads are not working. Let's talk about the next platform, the TV platform. Now, I'm not going to ask you guys, TV देखते हो क्या तुम लोग? I know सब TV देखते हो. आप लोग जितने भी channels है, आज की तारीख में even more, now that we are in the lockdown period, we are watching even more TV than we used to watch. Okay, but I'm not saying that TV does not work. Okay, but what I'm saying is TV is expensive. We skip the ads. We look at the TV channels. We look at the TV serials. We look at the movies. But it is, yeah, sometimes, right? Okay. So you see, I'm receiving the reply of your thing, radio now. So we skip the ads, and we have a large choice of channels. It's extremely expensive. If I wanted to put an ad in TV, it's going to cost me lakhs and crores of rupees. Okay, it's again, it's a one-way mechanism, and it's prohibitively costly. So small and medium organizations को TV advertisement परवड़ेगा नहीं. Bigger organizations को सारे के सारे platform परवड़ते हैं. And we are not talking about big organizations. We are talking about medium and small organizations. How we can promote ourselves, and that's what today's session is going to be about. So TV advertisements once upon a time was guaranteed large all day. It's all dying. And not only that, offline TV itself is going out of fashion. Everything is coming online. We are using Netflix. We are using Amazon Prime. We are slowly migrating towards the streaming videos rather than watching, offline videos. We are watching online videos. Things are changing on the TV platform also. Okay. Today, the buyers are either on the mobile phones or on the computers or on the laptops. Okay. Once upon a time, we used to go out there and buy goods. मैं आप लेने का है तो आप क्या करोगे? What would you do? Would you actually go to a local shop and buy a phone? Be active. आप लोग क्या करोगे? Would you buy online or would you go to a local shop and shop type in the chat boxes? Okay, it seems the chat box is not responding fast. So what happens is, okay, I'm assuming that you guys are typing, but then something's wrong with the chat box. It's just not responding. And that has happened last week also. Okay. So as we can see, once upon a time, yeah, okay, now I'm seeing Calvin is typing. I think it's lagging. The chat box is lagging. So what's happening with the this mechanism? Uh, you couldn't get me. Okay, okay, okay. The question is, today, if you want to buy a phone, if you are buying a phone, a new mobile phone, where will you go? Will you go to a local store, or you will go somewhere else, or will you go online?
Okay, so basically,
आप
what will
कैसे
I?
खरीदोगे?
Yeah,
Yes, yes,
do
Kevin.
is what will I do is that first of all I will see the specs of the phone on YouTube, and
Yes, okay,
then compare the price on Amazon as
correct,
against the offline store. So where I'm finding,
correct.
obviously Amazon will offer me a lesser price, so I'll go for that.
Yes, correct. So you will go to YouTube. You will look at the reviews on their website, respective website. कितना स्टार रेटिंग मिला है? 4 स्टार मिला है, 4.5 स्टार मिला है, 5 स्टार मिला है, 3 स्टार मिला है, 3 स्टार मिला है, नहीं लेने का है, 4 स्टार, 4.5 स्टार मिला है. I will compare. Okay, you will go to Flipkart, you will go to Amazon, okay, and then probably you will go to Chroma store, and you will go to Vijay Sales, and then you will say, भाई Amazon इतने में देता है, तू कितने में देता है? So what you're doing is you are running a comparison, okay, between the online platform and the offline platform. So who decides what you're going to buy? Amazon will decide what you're going to buy. Facebook is going to decide what you're going to buy. Google is going to decide what you're going to buy. Okay, YouTube is going to tell you what you should buy. And then you will go, even if you buy offline or online, or I mean from the local store, ultimately who told you what to buy? The online platform told you what to buy, isn't it? So this is the reality of today's world. Okay, the online platform, because my buyers आज की तारीख में जो खरीदने वाले हैं वो या तो मोबाइल के ऊपर है या तो कंप्यूटर और लैपटॉप के ऊपर है. ओके, nobody is going to the shop. पहले जैसा सिचुएशन नहीं रहा है that people can be fooled easily. They are all doing intense research on the mobile phones and then they are coming to you. Okay, if you are going to a picnic today, you're going to Mahabaleshwar, you're going to Matheran, you're going to Kullu Manali, you're going to Shimla, first of all you will go to Trivago and you will check all the details about that. Okay, you are going to compare different types of hotels, you are going to compare the different types of packages that are available out there, and then you will make an informed decision. Today the Google and Facebook platforms will decide what you're going to buy. So if the buyers are online, your shopping has changed today. What about your marketing? Today we are screaming, we are shouting, saying that mandi hai, धंधा नहीं है. My dear friends, धंधा ऑफलाइन नहीं है, ऑनलाइन आज चाहिए उतना बिजनेस है. ओके, लोगों को लिटरली डिजिटल मार्केटर्स को खाने का टाइम नहीं मिलता है. हार्दिक सर विल टेल यू, आई बीन टेकिंग क्लासेस फ्रॉम 8 AM in the morning. I do my last session at 10 PM in the night. मेरे को लिटरली कभी कभी सोने का खाने का टाइम नहीं मिलता है. ओके, लॉकडाउन में मेरे घर में बैठकर मैं सिर्फ बैठे बैठे बिजनेस कर रहा हूँ. I don't even step out of my room. Okay, this is the reality. If your shopping has changed but your marketing has not changed, this is the problem. Today what do we do? हम लोग क्या करते हैं आज की तारीख में? खाना चाहिए तो एक बटन दबाते हैं स्विगी के ऊपर एंड घर पे खाना आ जाता है. एक बटन दबाया मैकडोनल्ड्स डिलीवरी कर देता है, एक बटन दबाया अपने को डोमिनोज इज गिविंग द डिलीवरी. ओके, इट्स नॉट एज इफ the businesses are dead. The businesses have migrated on the online platform. Even if you are planning to travel, you just and you can download the Uber app or the Ola app, and you can press a button and the car will come and it will pick you up right from, it will be doorstep to doorstep delivery. The way of in which we are working has totally gone to the online platform. Today your smartphone is much more than your phone. Once upon a time it was your phone. Today it is your e-wallet and it is your yeah, correct answer. So पहले with the phone. वी एंड ओनली द फोन. लास्ट को सोने के टाइम पे लास्ट चीज हम लोग क्या करते हैं, सोने से पहले फोन लेते हैं. Day we are on an average teenager platform, WhatsApp, YouTube, we are addicted to the platform. Today, your mobile phone is the school, your mobile phone college, your mobile phone has become your office. Okay. Your हर एक चीज जितना भी है आज की तारीख में, everything is on the mobile platform. You can use the mobile platform to find out the nearby vendors. आज की तारीख में आजू बाजू में कौन सा बिजनेस चल रहा है. If you want to buy certain things, you can find nearby vendors online. If you want to sell something, you can use WhatsApp, you can use Instagram, and you can literally, it is a buy and sell on the WhatsApp platform. I know a lot of people who are actually doing booming business right now, even in this lockdown period. Okay, so let me actually tell you how important that has happened. Okay, and how important this medium has become. So what happened is, now this is a real life scenario, I'm not cooking this up. There are lots of people today who are selling spices on WhatsApp. Achar, they are selling spices, that is achar, pickles and all that stuff. They are selling khakras and wafers and chiudas and all that. People are selling saris online. Okay, people are selling different kinds of dresses on WhatsApp. They just create a WhatsApp group. Yeah, fish too. Okay. Oh, I didn't know that, Calvin. They are actually selling fish online, huh? Okay, great. So WhatsApp group बनाते हैं. सब लेडीजों का ग्रुप रहता है. I've seen lots of housewives doing that. हस्बैंड का जॉब छूट गया है, घर में बैठा है. हाउसवाइफ बोलती है चलो मेरे को पिकल बनाने को आता है, मैं पिकल बेचती है. कोई बोलती है मेरे पास साड़ीज पड़ी है, मैं अच्छा ड्रेस मटेरियल लाके देती हूँ, सेल करती हूँ. They are selling t-shirts online. They are people are innovatively creating different ways. I met some LIC agents. Okay, they said हम लोग जाके लोगों के साथ बातचीत करने थे, हम लोग ऑर्डर लेके आते थे, अभी घर में बैठे बैठे नहीं होता है. I'll tell that fellow, you create a WhatsApp channel. Okay, just create something on WhatsApp and start promoting your business. WhatsApp में सबको गुड मॉर्निंग मैसेज भेजो. Send a good morning message to people, and along with that good morning message नीचे एक छोटे से में डाल दो, you can contact so and so for your this thing insurance. Okay, what happens is in the long run people will definitely get in touch with you. Okay, what you're doing is this is called soft promotions. धीरे धीरे तुम लोगों के माइंड में हैमर कर रहे हो, and I have had lots of people there who are into that. So you can do soft promotions using WhatsApp. Now guys, you tell me, how much does it cost? How much does it cost us to put a message on Facebook? How much does it charge? WhatsApp में एक मैसेज भेजने का कितना खर्चा लगता है guys? How much it is cost if you put a message, if you put post on WhatsApp, if you put a post on Facebook, क्या लगता है? Do you know? YouTube के ऊपर एक वीडियो अपलोड करने का कितना खर्चा लगता है? The answer is zero. Facebook is free. Free of cost, yes. Facebook is free, WhatsApp is free, YouTube is free. एक रुपया खर्चा नहीं लगता है guys. तो हम लोग वही करेंगे. I will be showing you exactly कैसे अपने बिजनेस को प्रमोट करना है. ओके, आप लोगों को घर बैठे इनकम कैसे मिल सकता है. यू कैन स्टार्ट योर ओन बिजनेस ऑनलाइन फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. आपको एक फेसबुक का पेज बनाने को सिखाएंगे. ओके, जिसका कॉस्ट है ₹0. आपको इंस्टाग्राम के ऊपर पोस्ट अपलोड करना सिखाएंगे. ओके, वो भी पोस्ट आप खुद का क्रिएट करोगे, रेडीमेड नहीं। ओके, किसी का पोस्ट फॉरवर्ड किया है आज तक आप लोगों ने, यू कैन क्रिएट फैंटास्टिक लुकिंग प्रोफेशनल पोस्ट्स विद इन अ फ्यू मिनट्स, फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, नो चार्जेस। आप लोगों को दिखाएंगे आपका वीडियोस कैसे यूट्यूब के ऊपर प्रोफेशनली एनिमेटेड वीडियोस कैसे बनाते हैं फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, और उसको प्रमोट कैसे करने का, हाउ टू प्रमोट योर यूट्यूब चैनल। And you know the best part of all this is you can start earning money at home, free of cost. You can write blogs, you can create videos and you can upload them sitting at home. कहीं भी जाने की जरूरत नहीं है। आप लोगों ने काफ़ी पढ़ा होगा, bloggers are making huge amounts of money. Bloggers are making on an average anything between 15,000 to 7 lakhs rupees per month. Per month, okay. In fact, there are certain YouTubers, okay, who are still studying in class 8th standard के बच्चे हैं, and they are earning much more than their parents, okay, much more than their parents. उसका पूरा जिंदगी सेट है, वो 8-8 10-10 लाख रुपए कमाते हैं, 8 to 10 lakhs just by sitting at home and uploading some videos, हटके videos that people want to watch. Creativity, okay. So your bloggers, your videos, I'll be showing you exactly how to create videos. That is by step 1. Even if you do not have any background in videos, कभी आपने लाइफ में कभी वीडियो नहीं बनाया होगा, तो भी आप एक सेशन के अंदर यानी ऑलमोस्ट 2 घंटे के अंदर, within 2 hours you will be able to create professional looking videos. Okay, and then I'll be showing you how to promote and market your videos. That is what we call as video SEO. So I'll be showing you exactly the steps how we do that. I'll be showing you how to promote your business on Facebook. Okay, Facebook के ऊपर हम लोग एक पेज बनाएंगे। एक तुम लोग ने आज तक कभी भी खुद का मैसेजेस अपलोड नहीं किया रहेगा, किसी का मैसेज आया हुआ है उसको फॉरवर्ड किया रहेगा। सो पहले तो अपना खुद का कैसा क्रिएट करने का, दैट आई विल बी डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिंग, एंड देन ऑल्सो यस एनिमेटेड वीडियोज ऑल्सो, यस डेफिनेटली शरद, एनिमेटेड वीडियोज इवन इफ यू डू नॉट हैव एनी एनिमेशन बैकग्राउंड, ओके, मेरे से लिख के ले लो। दिस इज and all my students I must have trained more than, I don't know, in the last 3 to 4 months I must have trained more than 5,000 students so far, okay, online, and all of them without exception, every single one of them have created their own videos easily and confidently. Within 20 minutes your first animated video will be there, okay. I will also show you how to create your own website, okay, and you can create a professional looking website, okay. ठीक ठाक वेबसाइट नहीं, ओके वेबसाइट नहीं, ऑसम फैंटास्टिक वेबसाइट। लोगों के मुंह से वाव नहीं निकला ना तो पैसा वापस लेके जाओ, ओके। आई हैव दैट मच, I can challenge you because we have the tools, okay. Even if you do not have designing background, I will be able to give you fantastic looking websites, awesome looking website. Let me show you the kind of website that my students make right now, okay. The type of website that we are capable of making, not me, okay. मैं तो भाई ठीक है, आप बोलोगे एक्सपीरियंस वाला बंदा है तो कुछ भी कर सकता है। I am showing you the websites that have been created by my students, okay. So here it is. This is a demo website that has been created for my students and by my students, okay. Everybody is allowed to upload their stuff on this website. So they have created Amazon के जैसा एक shop बनाया है, then they have created ad agencies, candid photography. Now this is one example of a of a website that has been created by my student for her photographer friend. Okay, so the different types of photography websites, okay, completely created by her within 2 hours of the session, okay. Different images uploaded here. Just an example of, I think these are wedding photographies and couple photographies, and along with the call to action button here. This was a very simple example. I'll give you website. I'm going to the website. Okay, this website there. Thank you, Kishore ji. If you like that one, you will like now. So this one was created by some of my students in Andheri, I believe, before we went into lockdown. This was created in 20 minutes, okay, by my students, and you will be able to create a website exactly like this, if not better. Okay, so just take a look. This is my website. My website, I have given the spaces for my students to play with. A free theme. It's a paid theme which I have purchased, but you guys can use it for your practice purposes. Okay, this is not something so far, but you will be able to create this immediately. It has taken my students 20 minutes to create this after a 6-hour workshop on WordPress. WordPress के बाद लास्ट मॉड्यूल ये जो मॉड्यूल था उन लोगों ने 20 मिनट्स में ये साइट बना के मेरे को दिया है. And you will make that. There are too many for me to show you. Okay, there is a jewelry store website that was created by yet another student. Okay, 35 minutes. Okay, this was created by my Ruia college students. If you are sharing something, yes. I'm getting nothing. I am sharing something here, Sharad. You're not seeing that? You're not seeing that? Can you just log out and log back in? Guys, are you seeing the ad? Everybody, can you see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Just type one in the chat box. Okay, you guys see. I think Sharad, you need to check out and check back in. Just press it. It'll come. And thanks for finding that out. Yeah, so as you can see, about it is just a demo. Demo site ऐसा है, तो final site कैसा रहेगा आप लोग सोच सकते हो. Okay. This is the kind of effects that our students will be capable of doing after 6 hours of my WordPress workshop, and this is my guarantee to you. Okay. These are some of the ideas, some of the options that we have been using. This one was created by yet another student. This was, I think, a fashion design shop. No, not this one. Not this one. This was the gym one. I'm not able to find that. Yeah, fashion, this one, Ruia Fashion. Again, by my students in the Ruia College before we went into lockdown. Bags. Okay, amazing kind of contents that can be created very easily by us. Okay, and is going to be possible even for those of you who don't have any background whatsoever. अगर अपने लाइफ में कभी भी वेबसाइट नहीं बनाया है, अगर आप डिजाइनिंग नहीं आता है, कोडिंग नहीं आता है, मेरे को भी नहीं आता है, in spite of that we are capable of creating something like this, and that is my challenge. Okay, it's that easy. Okay, so in short, use your mobile phone. You will convert your mobile phone into your office. You will convert your mobile phone into a money making machine. It is going to be your office, fully functional office, sitting at home. We will be learning different techniques on how to earn your money online, guys. That's what I want to tell you, because internet marketing is the future. Internet marketing is one place where a person sitting at home can do more business than a multinational company. Okay, हम लोग घर बैठे बैठे ज़्यादा पैसा कमा सकता है क्योंकि overhead expenditures नहीं है. There is zero expenses. We are not having rental expenditures. We don't have to put deposits. We don't have to pay salaries to so many staff members and conveyance and travel allowance, and there is absolutely nothing you can sit. Okay, Sharad is not getting anything. Sharad, I'm surprised everyone else is seeing this. Can you log out and log back in, please? Thank you so much, Ramanji, for that feedback. I really appreciate it, sir. So, internet marketing is the future, guys. Sharadji, please log out and log back in. Everything will be okay after that, I promise you. It usually comes. And now let's talk about the benefits of digital marketing as compared to the conventional marketing. Okay, why are we into digital marketing? Simply because of point number one, targeting. Okay, I can reach, अगर मेरा शॉप है थाना स्टेशन के आजू बाजू में, तो I can target people in and around Thane only. Okay, I can define a radius of 5 kilometers to 15 kilometers. People only within that zone will see my ad. Everybody will not see my ad. मैं location wise targeting कर सकता हूँ, मैं इंटरेस्ट वाइज टारगेटिंग कर सकता हूँ. आपको किस चीज़ में इंटरेस्ट है, जिस चीज़ में इंटरेस्ट है मैं उसी का ऐड आपको दिखा दूंगा. So you can see we can target according to keywords, we can target according to interest, we can target according to what you are liking, according to your location and according to your behavior. आपको क्या पसंद है YouTube को मालूम है, Google को मालूम है और मेरे को मालूम है, because मेरे को YouTube और Google और Facebook पढ़ने को आता है. So I can target people according to their interest. Okay, if you are searching for mobile phones, मेरा ऐड आ जाएगा आपको, हाँ भाई ये वो बंदा मोबाइल फ़ोन ढूंढ रहा है and I'll target you. आप में से कितने लोगों को ऐसा हुआ है कि आपने कुछ Amazon के ऊपर कुछ सर्च मारा, आपने खरीदा नहीं, लेकिन 5 मिनट के अंदर आपको उसका ऐड आना शुरू हो गया? How many had this experience कि आपने कुछ Amazon पे देखा और आपको immediately आने लगा? Yes guys, has it happened to you? Always happens, right, Calvin? Yes. Ramanji, I think Ramanji and Ram are also having that same experience, and everybody. Yes. Is this helpful for new startups? Yes, Ramanji, 100% is it helpful for startups. It is, yes. Ram is also having that same. Anybody who has a laptop, a mobile phone, and an internet connection can start their business. Okay, any startup can do their business without spending much money. Okay, you don't have to spend much money to start your business. And कुछ चीज़ जो मैं आपको सिखाने जा रहा हूँ उसमें से समझ लो 70-80% तो फ्री है. ओके, 70-80% आपको कुछ मेहनत नहीं, आपको सिर्फ आपका हार्डवर्क डालना है, बाकी आपको उसके लिए और कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. यू कैन स्टार्ट अर्निंग मनी by promoting your businesses just like that. Okay, so that's the power of our digital marketing. That is called remarketing, guys. Okay, you come to my website, you go out of my website without buying stuff from me. Okay, 98% of the business in the world is lost because people come to your website and go away. इतना मेहनत करके लोगों को वेबसाइट के ऊपर लाया और अभी चला गया, तो हम लोग उसको रीमार्केटिंग से टारगेटिंग कर सकते हैं. दैट इज यूजिंग सम फॉर्म ऑफ कुकीज and you can capture that business and that is called remarketing. Okay, two-way communication है digital marketing में. अगर आपको कुछ मेरा प्रोडक्ट पसंद आया है तो आप इमीडिएटली मेरे से इंटरेक्शन कर सकते हो, चैट बॉक्स में इंटरेक्शन कर सकते हो, फिजिकली स्टोर को विजिट कर सकते हो, फेसबुक के ऊपर इंटरेक्शन कर सकते हैं, ईमेल लिख सकते हैं, और कुछ नहीं तो यू कैन प्रेस द बाय नाउ बटन. ओके, इंस्टेंटली दैट अमाउंट विल बी, you can say, debited from your account and the material will be delivered to you. It's a two-way communication. Everything is relevant. Let us talk about relevant ads. Okay, this is about ads. Okay, मान लीजिए कि मैं Google पे सर्च कर रहा हूँ मोबाइल फोन्स. I'm searching for, oh my goodness, I'm sorry, mobile phones. Does it include affiliate marketing? Yes, Ram, it includes affiliate marketing. We'll talk about that in a few minutes. Yes, we are coming to that. Yes, definitely. Okay, so I'm going to Google and Google पे मैं मोबाइल फोन सर्च कर रहा हूँ. Guys, किसका ad दिखेगा? What kind of ads will Google show me when I'm searching for mobile phones? So will it show me ads of Thumbs Up and 5-star and Coca-Cola and coconut nariyal tel? Will it show me such ads? No. If you are searching for mobile phones, it is going to show me ads of Oppo, going to show me ads of Vivo, it's going to show me ads of Samsung, iPhone, Redmi, and everything relating to mobile phones only. So this is what we mean by relevant ads. Okay, digital marketing is all about relevant ads, no nonsense ads. This is also called targeted ads. It is not giving me random ads. मैं क्या सर्च मार रहा हूँ, मोबाइल सर्च मार रहा हूँ, मेरे को काय का ऐड दिख रहा है, मोबाइल का ऐड दिख रहा है. Targeted ads along with relevant ads, along with targeted ads, you get ads what we call as contextual ads. What do we understand by contextual ads? When I'm searching for mobile phones, obviously it is going to show me iPhone, Samsung, this, that. Along with showing me the mobile phones, it will also show me charger, you can say power banks. Yes, correct. Charger, power banks, it'll show me earphones, Bluetooth. These are not mobile phones, but they are contextual to mobile phones. They are relevant to mobile phones. They are accessories. Okay, so once you launch your campaign, once you promote the ads, your website will automatically show these ads and relevant ads to the right source. एक बार आप लोगों ने ये काम कर दिया तो ये पूरा का पूरा प्रोसेस ऑटोमेटिक है. आप लोगों को इसके ऊपर ध्यान नहीं देना पड़ता है. Once it is done, it is done. So this is like having your own office and your office is doing the work automatically, not manually. Okay. So I'm sure you know the world's richest man. Today the world's richest man is Jeff Bezos. He is also the president of Amazon, the world's #1 e-commerce platform. And Jeff Bezos is playing golf. Jeff Bezos is spending quality time with his family, and his website is earning money. He is making millions of dollars every minute. Every minute he is making millions of dollars while he is playing golf. While he is sleeping, his website is running 24/7, my dear friends. Okay, and this is exactly what you can do. You can create your website, you can create your Facebook, you can create your Instagram profiles, and while you are sleeping, somebody is watching. While you are sleeping, somebody is pressing the buy now button. While you are sleeping, somebody is watching your YouTube and you're getting paid for that. Jack Ma for Alibaba, right, Calvin? You're right, absolutely right. That's exactly the other thing that we can do. Absolutely true. So, coming back, the ads that we see are relevant ads. Here I have given you an example of yoga trainers. If you're clicking on yoga trainers, you are getting the list of yoga trainers. Besides that, you're also seeing ads for yoga mats or yoga agarbattis or some yoga DVDs, yoga trainers, some dresses to wear for the yoga, etc., etc. Relevant ads and contextual ads. I give you the example of contextual ad: earphones, chargers, power banks, and all that stuff whenever you're searching for something. So these are the things why we actually fall in love with digital marketing. If you want, you can tell your users, your visitors, to take immediate action. People can press that register now button. People can press that inquire now button, download now button. No more button, buy now button. You can end up buying that product or your services right away. You can measure and monitor कितने लोग मेरी वेबसाइट के ऊपर आए, what kind of did they spend 5 minutes on my website or did they watch my YouTube video, पूरा वीडियो देखा कि skip कर दिया, did they download my product, कौन सा product ज़्यादा बिक रहा है, कौन सा product कम बिक रहा है, which area people are buying what kind of material. All this can be measured and monitored. Okay, so all this is possible, and the best part is it does not take coffee breaks. छुट्टी नहीं लेता है, 24 घंटा चालू रहता है, 7 दिन चालू रहता है, 24/7, no time zone issues. While you are sleeping, your website is 24/7 running. Okay, the concept is changing. If you compare the cost factor, it's very, very cheap. Very, very cheap as compared to this thing. An average newspaper ad would cost me anything between 5 lakhs to 7 lakhs to 10 lakhs. Okay. Whereas I can start my online ad with 0 rupees budget. I can put messages on Facebook. I can put messages on Instagram. I can put messages on WhatsApp for business. And you can start making money. You will not believe that today there is a version of WhatsApp called WhatsApp for Business. Using WhatsApp for Business, you can sit and start making money. And WhatsApp for Business is free, my dear friend, 0 rupees investment. I'll just show you WhatsApp for Business in 2 hours, and after that you can start promoting your business like anything. Okay, you can check out my profile online, and you can check out my profile on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp is doing a lot of my promotions today. Okay, I am not even aware what is going on. It is doing automatically. Once you have to set it up, everything is automatic, and that is the power of digital marketing. Okay, now answering your questions that many people are asking me, what kind of digital marketing channels are there? You were asking me, Ram, you were asking me about affiliate marketing. So here's the channels that we have. तो मेरे को मेरी वेबसाइट को प्रमोट करने का है, वेबसाइट को बिजनेस को प्रमोट करने का है, तो कैसा करने का? तो दीज आर द 8 प्राइमरी मैकेनिज्म्स. द फर्स्ट वन इज कॉल्ड सर्च engine optimization. Okay, search engine optimization. What is search engine optimization? Let us talk about that, and let us understand what is SEO. Okay, so now the first section we covered was the channels and types of digital marketing channels. Let's talk about that. The first one is, before you do anything else, you need to have a website. Okay, so I have already showed you WordPress. Even if you don't know coding, within 6 hours I will make you masters and create beautiful looking awesome websites. That is your first step. Now that you have got your website, मान लो दुनिया का बेस्ट वेबसाइट आपने बना लिया, कितने लोग आएंगे आपकी वेबसाइट में? Even after you create the most beautiful website, the total number of people who will come to your website is 0. Nobody will come to your website because they don't know you are there. They don't know us. That's a big problem. So the first, how to bring people to your website? You do something called as search engine optimization. Search engine optimization और SEO. ओके, आप लोग ने ये नाम सुना रहेगा अगर आपने गूगल में कभी डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के बारे में सर्च मारा है, तो यू नो दैट SEO पीपल आर द मोस्ट पेड पीपल ऑन द प्लैनेट. उनको बहुत पैसा मिलता है. जो SEO एक्सपर्ट होता है, SEO एक्सपर्ट कभी भी भूखा नहीं मर सकता है. उसको काम बहुत रहता है, खाना खाने का टाइम नहीं मिलेगा, वो शायद दूसरा बात है, बट दैट पर्सन इज ऑलवेज इन पावर. SEO इज द आर्ट एंड साइंस ऑफ ब्रिंगिंग योर वेबसाइट ऑन टॉप ऑन गूगल. Promoting our website on Google is the work of a search engine optimization. Okay, now the second factor. Okay, this process of SEO is very very powerful, but it takes 6 to 8 months for my website to rank. ऐसा नहीं कि अभी मैंने कुछ बटन दबाया और मेरा वेबसाइट टॉप पे आ जाएगा. काश ऐसा हो सकता. It's not that simple. It takes 6 to 8 months to rank. What if I don't have a time? What if I am a startup firm? Okay, startup firms, and I want to promote my business fast. I want quick results. In that case, what I can do is that I can use something helping us in solving that problem. That was time. Okay, here this is paid ads. आप लोगों ने देखा रहेगा गूगल के ऊपर पेड एड्स आते हैं, and these paid ads are giving you instant results. Okay, so this is like saying अगर मान लो आप लोगों को परसेंटेज कम मिलता है कॉलेज में और अच्छे कॉलेज में एडमिशन चाहिए, तो आप लोग क्या करोगे? परसेंटेज कम मिला है, फिर भी टॉप पे आने का है, अच्छा कॉलेज में एडमिशन चाहिए, क्या करेंगे हम लोग? What do we do, guys?
पैसे देकर एडमिशन.
राइट आंसर. पैसा देकर एडमिशन लेते हैं, डोनेशन. यस, यही काम करने का इधर भी गाइस. ओके, गूगल को पैसा देने का. ओके, व्हाट वी आर डूइंग इज वी आर रनिंग पेड एड्स फॉर गूगल्स, एंड गूगल विल इमीडिएटली ब्रिंग योर वेबसाइट ऑन टॉप. दैट्स व्हाट इट इज फॉर. ओके, गूगल को बाकी तो तुम पैसा नहीं देते हो. दिस इज द वे गूगल अर्न्स मनी, एंड इट अर्न्स मिलियंस एंड मिलियंस ऑफ डॉलर्स पर डे just by doing this. Okay, search engine marketing, you use paid ads and you get instant results. Okay, so this is the second mechanism. The first mechanism is search engine optimization. The second mechanism is search engine marketing, or what we also call as PPC, pay per click. That means for every click you pay money to Google. You do not pay Google for ads. Ad दिखाने का पैसा नहीं देता है. टीवी में, न्यूज़पेपर्स में, रेडियो में हम लोग को क्या देने का है? ऐड दिखाया तुम पैसा दे दो, किसी ने ऐड देखा या नहीं देखा मालूम नहीं है. It was one way communication. This is two way communication. If only somebody clicks on your ad, that means guaranteed कि उसने तुम्हारा ad देखा, then and only then you pay money. That is pay per click. The third mechanism is email marketing. Okay, email marketing is, as of today, the world's #1 lead generation platform. So we'll be showing you techniques of creating an email list, how to build an email list of hundreds and thousands and lakhs of customers, लाखों कस्टमर्स का डेटाबेस कैसे एक्यूमुलेट करने का, लाखों लीड्स कैसे जनरेट करने का, और फिर उन लीड्स को कन्वर्जन्स में कैसे धीरे धीरे करके, इट इज़ कॉल्ड पुटिंग इट इनटू द यू कैन से द सेल्स फनल. ओके, सेल्स फनल को अगर बॉम्बे लैंग्वेज में बोलेंगे तो कस्टमर को बाटली में कैसा उतारने का, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ सेल्स फनल प्लेटफॉर्म दैट विल बी कवरिंग इन द email marketing section, a very very important section. 89% of the business online today is generated by email marketing. Okay, email marketing really works because वहाँ पे सारे के सारे professional लोग होते हैं. Okay, the next form of marketing is social media marketing. I don't have to tell you about social media. Facebook, excuse me please, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Snapchat, Pinterest, these are all examples of very very powerful social media platforms. Okay, people are there on social media almost anything between 5 hours to 14 hours, 18 hours. People are there on social media, पूरा दिन social media के ऊपर रहते हैं. अगर कुछ भी प्रोडक्ट के बारे में जानकारी देनी है तो परफेक्ट प्लेटफॉर्म है आज की तारीख में सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग में. एंड दैट टू यू आर टारगेटिंग पीपल हु आर लुकिंग फॉर दैट, नॉट एनी रैंडम क्राउड. ओके, the social media platform is very powerful. We'll be showing you how to create professional ads on social media, how to promote your ads on social media, how to bring your business on the social media platform, and how to earn money out of that. Okay, the next thing that we'll be showing is affiliate marketing and influencer marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Let me give you an example. Okay, see, I'm creating a YouTube video, I'm creating a blog. Okay, लाखों लोग आके मेरा ब्लॉग पढ़ के जाते हैं, लाखों लोग मेरा वीडियो देखते हैं, बट कितने लोग उसमें से मेरे को पैसा देता है? How much does it cost you to read a blog? 0 rupees. How much does it cost you to you can say watch a YouTube video? 0 rupees. So how are these YouTubers and bloggers making money? They are making money through influencer marketing. They are making money through affiliate marketing. How do they earn money through these platforms? Very very simple. Okay, advertisers will approach them. जब आपकी वेबसाइट के ऊपर 10 लाख लोग आते हैं, आप मेरा बिजनेस प्रमोट करो. Affiliate marketing. Can someone please mute? I think there's a voice cracking. Somebody's mic is on, please mute. Guys, thank you for finding that out. Yes. Yeah. I just got a message. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah. So something went wrong. So yeah. So I guess we did affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing was all about how we can promote somebody else's business and earn money as a commission. हमारी वेबसाइट है, वेबसाइट के ऊपर ट्रैफिक है, and we can monetize, we can earn money from the website, we can earn money from our blogs and YouTubes simply by using affiliate marketing and influencer marketing. Okay, the next one is mobile marketing. मोबाइल मार्केटिंग के बारे में तो आपको बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. रोज़ सुबह को हमारे मोबाइल के ऊपर इतने सारे व्हाट्सएप के नोटिफिकेशंस आ जाते हैं, फेसबुक के नोटिफिकेशंस आ जाते हैं. मोर देन दैट वी आर गेटिंग different kinds of QR code notifications, app notifications, and SMS campaigns. all that is happening on the mobile platform. Mobile platform आज की तारीख में 80% business लेके आता है. Okay, that's really working because everybody is on mobile phone. Okay, जब भी लॉकडाउन में नहीं थे तभी भी हम लोग मोबाइल पे थे, अभी तो एडिक्टेड हो चुके हैं. 24/7 वी आर ऑन द मोबाइल फोन. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज कंटेंट मार्केटिंग. व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज कंटेंट मार्केटिंग? हर चीज़ में हमें कंटेंट की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. अच्छा कंटेंट रहेगा तो लोग बैठेंगे. अगर मेरा स्पीच अच्छा नहीं रहता तो सब भाग जाते थे. यू हैव टू हैव गुड कंटेंट, यू हैव टू हैव great quality. So how to write genuine content, how to write excellent content, that is very important. Okay, WhatsApp के ऊपर अगर आपका कंटेंट अच्छा नहीं रहेगा तो आपका बेस्ट फ्रेंड भी आपका फॉरवर्ड पढ़ने वाला नहीं है. ओके, वो बोलेगा बहुत बोरिंग है, जाने दे, मेरे को नहीं पढ़ने का है. इफ यू डू नॉट क्रिएट अ गुड कंटेंट ऑन यूट्यूब, नोबडी इज गोइंग टू वॉच योर वीडियो. इफ यू डू नॉट क्रिएट गुड कंटेंट ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड फेसबुक, नोबडी इज गोइंग टू रीड योर एडवर्टाइजमेंट. How to write excellent content, that will be covering in content marketing. What is ORM? That is online reputation management. ORM or online reputation management is very critical for our business. Okay, आज की तारीख में आप कुछ भी प्रोडक्ट खरीदने से पहले उसका स्टार रिव्यू रेटिंग पर देखते हो. ओके, अगर उसको 4 स्टार मिला है, 5 स्टार मिला है, यू विल कंसिडर इट. अगर उसे कम स्टार मिला है और मान लो अगर किसी ने उसके ऊपर बैड रिमार्क डाला है, ये प्रोडक्ट एकदम वर्थलेस है, अच्छा नहीं है, पीपल विल नॉट बाय दैट प्रोडक्ट. ओके, मूवीज़ देखने को जाते हैं, सबसे पहले हम लोग रिव्यूज़ देखते हैं. कुछ भी सामान खरीदने से पहले अमेज़ॉन के ऊपर उसका रिव्यूज़ देखते हैं. मोबाइल खरीदने से पहले उसका रिव्यूज़ देखते हैं. योर बिजनेस और योर ऑनलाइन रेपुटेशन इज़ डिसाइडिंग वेदर योर बिजनेस वर्क्स और नॉट. आपने एग्जांपल देखा रहेगा कि कैडबरी डेयरी मिल्क में 2 बार्स में अर्थवर्म निकले थे. 8 महीने के लिए पूरे वर्ल्ड में कैडबरी डेयरी मिल्क को बैन किया गया था, just because of 2 earthworms. Okay, that is the power of online reputation management. किसी का भी, इतने बड़े ब्रांड का भी पूरी धज्जियाँ उड़ सकती है, पूरा बर्बाद हो सकता है. That's the power of online reputation management. Okay, and finally इतना सब कुछ करने के बाद हम लोग एनालिसिस करेंगे. How did I get my business? Statistics. Did I get business through my email marketing? Am I getting business, more business from my organic platform, that is SEO? Am I getting it from social media? फेसबुक से बिजनेस आ रहा है, व्हाट्सएप से आ रहा है, इंस्टाग्राम से आ रहा है, कौन से प्लेटफॉर्म से बिजनेस मिल रहा है, कौन से एरिया से प्लेटफॉर्म से बिजनेस मिल रहा है. ऑल दैट इज एनालाइज्ड बाय वेब एनालिटिक्स. यू कैन एनालाइज, यू कैन मेक द बिल्ड द स्टैटिस्टिक्स, यू कैन क्रिएट द रिपोर्ट्स एंड यू कैन डू एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन, एंड व्हाटएवर वर्क्स यू कंटिन्यू, व्हाटएवर डजंट वर्क you can get rid of it. So these are the various platforms. As you can see, I'll quickly revise. The various platforms are: first is SEO, search engine optimization. The second is SEM, that is the paid mechanism, search engine marketing. The third platform is email marketing. The fourth one is social media marketing. The fifth is mobile marketing, affiliate and influencer marketing, online reputation management, and web analytics. So these are the 8 platforms, or you can say the 8 channels through which our digital marketing can be promoted, and these are all the 8 channels that we are going to cover in our workshops. That is what Hardik sir and myself are promoting. You can see, ये मैंने टाइप नहीं किया है, ये गूगल से ही है, मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट बना के रखा है. YouTube earning rate in India, on an average you get paid 1 rupee for every 10 views, and you can start earning if you build a decent enough audience, you can start earning money right free of cost. Through blogging also, again, you can start making anything between $100 to $10,000 in a month. A typical blogger is earning anything between $300 to $400 in a month. It's really fantastic. You can just convert this into Indian rupees, guys. घर बैठे बैठे अच्छा खासा इनकम हो सकता है. थोड़ा ब्लॉगिंग जान लो तो भी काम हो सकता है. Today, demand exceeds supply for jobs in digital marketing, guys. डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एंड आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, ये 2 ही सब्जेक्ट्स है आज की तारीख में जो इन स्पाइट ऑफ द लॉकडाउन बूमिंग है, बूमिंग. ओके, लिटरली स्काई इज द लिमिट फॉर these 2 kind of people, digital marketers and artificial intelligence. Okay, so here the demand is more, supply is less, so obviously you're getting paid higher salaries than normal. Okay, बाकी सब इंडस्ट्री में खाने पीने के वांदे हैं और यहाँ पे ज़्यादा पे दिया जा रहा है. Okay, and this is the power of your you can say digital marketing platforms. You can earn some certificates, online certificates like Google Academy, Google Analytics, Google Garage, Microsoft and Twitter certifications. You can get up to 8 levels of Google certification the way I've got them. These are my certificates. One of these exams I gave just recently during the lockdown, 6th May 2020. Every year I have to give my exams, and you will also have to give your exams every year, because हर साल काफ़ी कुछ चेंज होता है, अपने आप को अपडेट रखना पड़ता है, and that is a fantastic part of this. Okay, and at the same time you are getting paid for it also. Okay, so it's a very prestigious certificate for us to have, Google certificate. Okay, कौन कर सकता है digital marketing? People who are fresh graduates, people who are students, people who are into marketing and sales, people who are business owners, जो जिनका खुद का बिजनेस है, वो अपने बिजनेस को प्रमोट करना चाहते हैं, एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, ऑनलाइन एक्सपर्ट्स ऑलरेडी जो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग जानते हैं लेकिन अपने स्किल्स को अपग्रेड करना चाहते हैं. सो देर आर पीपल हियर हु हैव डन देयर digital marketing earlier, working in e-commerce platforms. You can upgrade your skills with us. Any professional in any sector can join up. Freelancers, retired people, teachers, professionals, people who are unemployed looking for a growth in career, they are all welcome to do the digital marketing course. You can become a brand manager, you can become a freelancer, you can become a email marketer, you can become a mobile consultant, you can become an e-commerce expert, you can become a content writer, you can curate content. If you are not a good content writer, you can gather content from different locations. That is called as content development and content curation. You can become a web designer, a brand manager, a blogger, a YouTuber, social media partner. So many options are available, guys. Okay, for digital marketing positions. Jobs are available all across the globe. In India also, multinationals are hiring. This is a result from Naukri.com and Indeed.com and Shine.com. All these platforms, Wipro, IBM, TCS, Infosys, Capgemini are hiring for digital marketers. I have taken the screenshot of Naukri.com. How many digital marketing jobs are there? This is yesterday's. Excuse me, someone's voice. Okay. Purushottam ji, I'll just have to mute you. Sorry about that. Okay, yes. So coming back. So we have, this is the screenshot from Naukri.com, which was taken a few days ago. And you see that there are approximately 26,381 jobs in India every single day. Looking at the Mumbai openings, we have 4,307 openings in Mumbai itself and on different platforms. In Thane, the 332 openings on that particular day. In Pune, there were 1761 openings in Pune. Okay, this is a per day thing. You can just imagine the sheer number of people that are being hired by digital marketers. They are asking me, sir, आपके students को immediately लगाओ. हमारे पास मैं बोला लॉकडाउन है, अभी इतने स्टूडेंट्स नहीं हैं, all the students are placed. This is the situation as of today. Okay, Shine.com is hiring. You can see the results right in front of you guys. Okay, we have timesjob.com. Again, you can see 65,339 jobs in India, and in Pune, in Mumbai, in Thane. I have taken screenshots for your purposes. You can take a look. Digital marketing is a very, very successful career option. There is no denying it. Okay, nobody will tell you that digital marketing mat karo. Today, everybody is jumping. आप लोग अपना careers आज की तारीख में देख रहे हो कि उसमें stagnation आ गया है, growth possible नहीं है. Some of the careers have shut down for good. Everybody is migrating to the digital marketing platform. This is the only platform which is working. आज आप और मैं घर पे बैठे बैठे ये सेशन कर पा रहे हैं because of digital marketing only. I am sitting in my home, you are sitting in your home, we are doing this session, right? You can build your career in corporate sector, in an ad agency. Great demand in ad agency, guys, very great demand. You can work in the film industry, you can promote film industries, upcoming movies, reviews, YouTubes, lots of things. Freelance and consultancy you can do. Small and medium entrepreneurs, and you can work in startups and lot more. Okay, so now guys, your turn, guys. If you've got any questions, I'm right in front of you. Please feel free to ask me any questions that you have.
Hi sir, I am Purushottam Reddy.
Hi Purushottam, how are you?
What was the use of digital marketing, sir?
I'm sorry, Purushottam ji, I couldn't hear you clearly. Can you please repeat your question? सर पुरुषोत्तम जी आपका आवाज मेरे को सुनाई नहीं दिया, वही टाइम पे और किसी का म्यूट खुल गया था. कैन यू प्लीज रिपीट योर क्वेश्चन?
Can I message, sir?
ओके ओके ओके. अच्छा, आपका मैसेज अभी तक आया नहीं सर मेरे स्क्रीन पे. आई एम वेटिंग. हाँ जी, देवबंधु जी नमस्कार. पुरुषोत्तम जी, आई couldn't see your message yet. I can see Sharad and others typing, but then humble request, sir, if you can repeat your question, sir. Some problem with the chat box here. It's not updating regularly. पुरुषोत्तम रेड्डी जी, आप आपका क्वेश्चन दोबारा रिपीट कर सकते हैं क्या? वुड यू शेयर योर कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर? सर, आई वुड लव टू शेयर माय कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर, बट द प्रॉब्लम इज आई एम इन द सेशंस ऑलमोस्ट 8 to 10 hours. So Hardik sir, I'll request Hardik sir to share his contact number. So he will be able to pick up your phones. मैं लगभग 8 घंटे मैं ऑनलाइन सेशन लेते हैं तो मैं मेरा फ़ोन नहीं उठाता हूँ, तो आप फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाओगे. तो हार्दिक सर डेफिनेटली आपका एक रिंग में फ़ोन उठाएंगे. He will respond to your call. Hardik sir, please share your number, sir. Is there any job guarantee? No, there is no job guarantee. Because but आप खुद ही देख लो ऑनलाइन. हम लोग यहाँ पे सर आपको अच्छा ट्रेनिंग देने के लिए बैठे हैं, हम आपको जॉब देने के लिए नहीं बैठे. जॉब आपको मिल ही जाएगा. आप गूगल के ऊपर जाके सर्च मारो, मेरा विश्वास करने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. आप आप टाइम्स जॉब पे जाओ, इंडीड पे जाओ, नौकरी पे जाओ, आप देखो कितने एड्स हैं. आपको अच्छा क्वालिटी एजुकेशन देने का मैं प्रॉमिस करता हूँ. और फिर भी अगर आपको जॉब का चाहिए तो आपको हार्दिक सर आपको ये इंटर्नशिप के लिए आपको डेफिनेटली सपोर्ट कर देंगे. हार्दिक सर ने आपको इनका कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर दे दिया है यहाँ पे. सो हार्दिक सर इज़ द सेंटर हेड ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग मीडिया and is one of the prime members there. So he'll be definitely the perfect person to contact you there. Mr. Reddy is asking the use of digital marketing. Okay, sir, Reddy ji, digital marketing का मेन पर्पस ये है अपने बिजनेस को प्रमोट करना और घर बैठे बैठे या फिर अपने ऑनलाइन बिजनेस से पैसा कमाना. These are the two purposes, Mr. Reddy, of digital marketing. How to earn money online and promoting our business online using targeted mechanism. So we will be getting the perfect target audience. I hope I have answered your question, Reddy sir. Okay, Hardik sir is committing that we provide job assistance and we can schedule interviews. Yes, Hardik sir is taking that this thing for you. All the candidates, he's giving you interviews and all also. Okay, may I know the topics covering in your content? Definitely, Purushottam sir, Hardik sir will be sharing the contents of the brochures with you. All those who are interested, he will definitely be sharing. In fact, all the participants that are there today, Hardik sir already has your numbers. He will definitely be sharing our brochures with all of you today, sir. Okay. Okay, Devji, I'm not understanding. What is the fee? Purushottam sir is asking. Hardik sir, would you like to handle this question? What are the fees and the duration of the course? Hardik sir, it will be better if you unmute yourself. So since we have revised the fees for the COVID lockdown, Hardik sir will give you the latest figures of the fees. Yes, Hardik sir, please.
We'll connect personally to all of them with regards to fees and duration and timings and everything.
Okay, sir. Fantastic. Fantastic. So you can share, sir will be sharing the course fees and the durations and the course brochures also, whatever we are going to cover in this session. And I'll be conducting those workshops myself. Yes, so.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you going to teach us about algorithm in SEO? Because when I was searching, I saw that there was something algorithm type. We need to update about this. The algorithm we use in SEO. Because I think
SEO yeah. Yes, is that Ram is asking? Okay, see, SEO is all about algorithms. SEO means you can say building your website in such a way that Google or the search engine platforms can find you. So I'll be showing you, it is a 12-hour module in which I comprehensively show you different techniques that you can use, the algorithms that we use to make sure that your website ranks on top. So there are some tricks and techniques that we use as SEO experts, and those are the techniques that we'll be sharing with our students, and using that you can rank easily. I hope that answers your question, Ram.
Yeah, so I have a technical background as well. So to know the algorithm and for other things, just about you previously said that sometimes we use coding during the creating a website. So can I need to learn coding as well?
No, here I promise you we need to learn zero coding. Okay, without knowing anything around, you don't have to be an IT professional. If you are better, but you don't have to be certain very powerful tools. Using those, you can rank. Okay, you will be using content, you will be using certain tools and certain tips and tricks. Using that, you can rank. You don't need to have any coding background whatsoever.
Okay, and if you learn this, and after how months we can start earning, because we are doing for money this. I'm
Yes,
just
obviously.
uh, yeah, I'm asking just lump sum figure
Okay,
that
okay. Lump sum figure. Again, I will let Hardik sir answer that question to you on the private chat. So he will definitely give you those estimates and the figures of the earning and
Don't worry, I'm sharing the fee on the chat right now, the fee structure and everything.
okay. And one more thing, are you
how you can start.
any certification? Because there are a lot of certification on Google and other platforms as well. But personally, are you guys going to provide any kind of certification? And if we about this training, and are you going to teach us practically? Because I think it is a this digital marketing is totally based on knowledge and practical knowledge.
Sorry,
Hello, hello. Hello.
Ram, I cannot hear you. But
Yeah. Am I?
I got the gist of what you were asking. The first part was about applications. Yes,
Yeah.
Ram, can you hear me? Hello.
Yeah, I can hear.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah, I
I
can
think the
hear.
voice is cracking up.
I
Okay,
think
okay.
it's
So what
network
I was
issue.
saying is, I got the gist of it. So, one thing about as far as your certifications are concerned, you will be given, I think, 6 to 7 certificates from Google, from Operating Media itself. So, Hardik sir will be sharing the app of Operating Media with all of us, those who are registered. And through that app, you will be given the notes of
Okay.
the digital marketing courses, and you will also be given the examination material that you will study, and you will be given those certifications after clearing each and every exam. Over and above that, you will also be, my students have failed in the Google exam. 80% पासिंग है, और आज तक मेरा स्टूडेंट का मेरा ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड है, मेरा एक भी स्टूडेंट फेल नहीं हुआ है. Every single student has got Google certified. Okay, and I want to maintain that record with you guys also. It's very easy. I mean, I have certain strategies to share with you. If you learn the way I'm showing you, there is no chance of you failing. Zero chance. Okay. So
Okay.
that's what I'll share. So your certification is not a problem, and sir is showing you the sharing the other details with you. For somebody aspiring, Sharad is asking, somebody aspiring to run an e-commerce firm, which topics would you suggest? You start e-commerce firm. All these that I have suggested will be required. It's not just one thing. All of these will be required. First of all, you need to build an awesome website using WordPress. Then you promote it using SEO and SEM. All these things will be necessary. We cannot, go without that. So it all has to be there. Yeah. Sharad, you can use all of these. Now, Calvin is asking, do we require a high-end device or a normal working device? normal i3 processor laptop is more than sufficient for you. Okay, there are no complicated exercises. Anything will do as long as your internet speed is good. Okay, make sure you have got 2 Mbps minimum bandwidth on your internet. That is all. Any laptop will do. Any laptop with Windows 7 or above, Core i3 processor will also do. Not beyond that. I'm not asking for anything bigger than that. Yeah, Kelvin? Okay, then let's talk about the, Hardik sir has shared the course fees. So as I can see, sir has revised the fees. We were 35,000 earlier. Now sir has made it 22,000 for you guys for advanced digital marketing course, and 30 plus modules will be covered, live practical training, assignments and certificates, and app based, plus sir is also giving you this thing, interview calls, and giving you that. So I think that answers your question about when will you start earning. It's a 2-month duration approximately, answering your question, sir Sharad. Minimum duration will be approximately 1.5 to 2 months, because we'll be covering 5 days in a week, or you can join our weekend workshop also. Okay, and the number of minimum sessions that will be covered, uh, what do you mean by minimum sessions? It will be 2 hours daily for 5 days. Okay, so every week you'll be having at least 10 hours of sessions. Okay, and you'll be given certain assignments, you'll be given certain, modules that you have to practice, and then you have to come back to me the very next day with those assignments, so that we know that you're actually making the progress, you are actually able to do what we are teaching you. So it'll be like a one-on-one interaction and a live interaction. Okay, so number of minimum sessions, I believe answered that question, Sharadji. Now up to, Hardik sir has also said the same thing, up to 2 months for weekdays, 5 months in case it's a weekend course. So Saturday, Sunday people will take longer because it's only 2 days in a week, right? So yes, guys. Any more questions? I hope I have answered your question. Anyone else? Okay. I think there are no more questions. Hardik sir, I believe it's over to you, sir. Yeah, Sharad has a question, I think. Okay, Sharad, I think you can unmute yourself and ask. It's not uh, very much visible. Any other questions, anyone? Yeah, okay. There it is. Queried which topics I cover for running an economy firm. Sharad ji, I believe I answered your question. For e-commerce, you need to cover everything that we have taken. We start with WordPress, then we go for SEO, then we go for search engine marketing, Facebook marketing. It's e-commerce. Amazon is products on all these platforms, and you will also have to do exactly that. Okay, all these platforms are because you cannot promote on one platform and leave the other platform, Sharji. Yeah, I hope that has answered your question now. Okay, I think Hardik sir, it's over to you, sir.
Never crash now.
Hardik sir, over to you, sir. Would you like to address the crowd and conclude the session, sir? I think Hardik sir is not in a reply, maybe some issues with his network. Okay, so if there are no more further queries, I will thank you very much, all of you. It was really wonderful, and if you have got any queries, you can always get in touch with Hardik sir on WhatsApp, and he will definitely address your queries, and we can start the sessions very soon. Okay, so thank you very much, everybody. It was really awesome having you guys on the session, and thank you for spending your valuable time with us. Okay, have a wonderful day, all of you, and I'm hoping to see you soon, very soon in the training. Yes, thank you so much everyone for your nice, lovely interaction and your wonderful feedbacks. It was really nice to have you here. Thank you, Ramanji. Thank you so much. And thanks, Kelvin. It was nice of you to interact so nicely with us.